Clean with me. Hi, my name's Lauren. I like to collect and take care of fine vintage items, and today I'm going to show you how to bring some life into an old leather bag. This is vintage Coach Windy 9031 in the color blue. This bag is a little elusive because it does not come up in any of the vintage Coach catalogs. So to my knowledge, it is unclear what colors exactly this purse came in. I've been scouring the web for 2 years, trying to collect all the fun colors I could find. I finally found a 97 blue. Some people might refer to this as true blue, but the real color is blue. They produced this color from 96 to 97. She came to me looking a little flat and dry, so we're going to clean her up. It isn't always necessary to clean your bags with saddle soap or Lexol. This one was looking pretty dry, and I wanted to get a good idea of what the color was. If your bag is much drier than this, I would suggest putting conditioner on first, letting it rest for an hour or two, and then going in with saddle soap or a different kind of leather cleaning soap. Do you want to make sure you get all the little crevices where dirt likes to hide? In addition to cleaning your leather, this is also going to rehydrate it. You don't want to scrub too hard, but you do want to use circular motions so you are knocking off dirt and debris that's living on the outside of your bag, especially if you found it at a thrift store or a flea market or something like that. You might need to knock off some dirt. You'll get in a good rhythm here. Just lather, wipe away, and move on to the next section. After you have cleaned your bag, you'll want to condition it. You'll use a small amount of this leather conditioner. A little goes a long way. Making sure just to massage it in, not leaving globs anywhere around the piping. Make sure to get all the crevices so things are nice and hydrated. Not only is it good for your leather products, it also helps you reshape them if you need to. This bag came a little squished, so I traded out the t-shirt for some rolled up denim to put on the bottom just to make it nice and hard. You don't want to overstuff it, but you do want to make sure you're working against any stubborn creases that are misshaping your bag. Don't forget to condition your strap. While you're waiting for your leather not to feel tacky to the touch anymore, you can take time to address any loose thread, polish any brass or silver attachments that are on your bag. You want to make sure if it's plated that you're not rubbing off the plating. Vintage Coach bags made before the 2000s have brass attachments, so I know that I was okay to clean it this way. The last step to caring for your leather items is to buff it out. You want to make sure your bag doesn't feel tacky to the touch anymore. It might take longer than 30 minutes to an hour. You'll take a buffing brush and buff out all the surfaces of your bag. This removes any excess conditioner, restores the leather's natural shine, and ensures an even distribution of the product. This blue is really bluing after some cleaning and hydration. She's looking plump and juicy, ready for a summer picnic. A little moment to remember how we started. It's important to me to invest in quality pieces and things that I'll truly wear and that bring me joy for possibly another 30 years. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I'll catch you on the next.